I am inside the bus. It will take me to Dajti Ekspress. I'm just ready for this bus to depart, and it's take about 10 minutes to 15 minutes to get to the Dajti Ekspress station, and it's roughly 16 to 17 stops before Dajti Ekspress. We get off from the bus at the bus stop, and it's take 10 to 15 minutes walk to get to the Dajti Express station. Dajti Express station just behind me over there, and from here the cable car will take us to the top of the Dajti mountain. I've got 2 tickets for the cable car. It will take me from bottom of the hill to the top of the mountain, and this is the longest cable car in any Balkan country. 4.7 kilometers far from here. You can hike to the top of the mountain as well. You see, there is some people, they are hiking. This journey will take up to 20 minutes or between 15 to 20 minutes to reach to the top of the Dajti mountain. And Dajti mountain is the highest mountain in this area, and this cable car is the longest cable car, is 4.7 kilometers. I can say there is one small beautiful mosque. It's an amazing scenery. If you are enjoying this view of the Dajti mountain or from the Dajti mountain of the Tirana city, like this video, share with your friends. It's on the top, it's raining. We just reached to the top of the mountain, and it's raining here, so I'm not sure how long it's going to be rain. So when it's rain stop, I'm going to explore the Dajti mountain and some attraction. I reached to the top of the mountain of Dajti mountain, and this Dajti mountain is 1,611 meters above sea level. So I will go out and explore the Dajti mountain and see what kind of the attraction on the Dajti mountain, and I will show you those attractions. But at the moment it's still raining outside. I'm not sure how long this rain is going to be.